Welcome to a revolution that could turn a $1,000 investment into $10,000. You're about to discover how the AI revolution is not just changing technology, but transforming investment strategies across the globe. Artificial intelligence is on track to add a staggering $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. It's more than a technological advancement. It's an investment gold rush. We're at a tipping point. Breakthroughs like ChatGPT have captured the public's imagination and investor interest worldwide. From healthcare to finance, AI is the new frontier for explosive growth. Consider Nvidia, whose stock price soared by over 262% in just 1 year, thanks to its AI chip technologies. Or C3.ai, which saw a share increase of 176% shortly after its AI products hit the market. How can you get involved? From direct stock purchases in companies like AMD and Google to investing in AI-focused ETFs, there are numerous ways to stake your claim in this booming industry. While the potential is vast, smart investing means watching out for volatility and hype. It's crucial to do your research, consider long-term potential, and maybe even consult with a financial advisor. The AI gold rush is here, and it's not waiting. Are you ready to strike it rich? Dive into the world of AI investments and let your money work as hard as the technology it supports. Subscribe for more insights and check out our other videos to stay ahead in the investment game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on AI investments. Are you investing, or are you still on the fence? Let's discuss.